Hello everyone! Are you ready for stylish Diva? Looking for an exciting and stylish addition to your wardrobe? Look no further than our Diva fashion tips and tricks. Are you tired of wasting time and money while shopping for clothes? Do you want to know how to shop for clothes like a pro? Then, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share with you some tips and tricks on how to shop for clothes effectively. Shopping for clothes can be overwhelming and stressful. But with a few helpful tips, it can be a fun and enjoyable experience. In this video, we will guide you through the process of shopping for clothes, so you can find the perfect outfit for any occasion. 1. Know your style. The first step in shopping for clothes is to know your personal style. Take some time to reflect on what styles and colors you feel most comfortable in. Do you prefer a classic or trendy look? Are you more drawn to bright colors or neutral tones? Knowing your style will make shopping much easier and help you avoid purchasing items that don't fit your aesthetic. 2. Make a list. The second tip is to make a list of what you need before you go shopping. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulse buying. Think about what you need for your wardrobe and make a list of specific items like a dress for a special occasion, a new pair of jeans, or a winter coat. 3. Set a budget. Before you start shopping, it's important to set a budget. This will prevent you from overspending and help you make more intentional purchasing decisions. Decide on a budget that works for your financial situation and stick to it as you shop. 4. Research and plan ahead. Research and planning ahead can save you time and money when shopping for clothes. Take some time to browse online or visit stores to get an idea of what styles and brands you like. Make a list of the items you need and prioritize them based on importance. 5. Check the fit. One of the most important aspects of shopping for clothes is ensuring that they fit well. Take your measurements before you shop and check the size charts for each item you are considering purchasing. When trying on clothes, make sure to move around and sit down to ensure that they are comfortable and fit properly. 6. Consider quality. When shopping for clothes, it's important to consider the quality of the items you are purchasing. High-quality pieces will last longer and save you money in the long run. Look for items made with durable fabrics and pay attention to the stitching and construction of each piece. 7. Mix and match. Mixing and matching items is a great way to get the most out of your wardrobe. Choose versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down and easily paired with other items in your closet. 8. Try something new. Don't be afraid to try something new when shopping for clothes. Step out of your comfort zone and try on items that you might not typically wear. You might be surprised at how much you love them. 9. Take care of your clothes. Taking care of your clothes is essential to making them last. Follow the care instructions on each item and store them properly to avoid damage. 10. Shop responsibly. When shopping for clothes, it's important to shop responsibly. Consider purchasing items from sustainable and ethical brands. 11. Take advantage of sales and discounts. Many stores offer sales and discounts throughout the year, so keep an eye out for them. But don't be tempted to buy things just because they're on sale. Stick to your list and only buy things that you need and will wear. Avoid purchasing items that are made with environmentally harmful materials. That's all for now. Thank you for watching our video on how to shop for clothes. We hope these tips have been helpful to you. Don't forget to visit our online store, Stylish Diva, to shop the latest trends and styles. And remember to like, subscribe this video to see more updates, tips and tricks trends. Share this video with your friends and family who are fond of fashion. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Happy shopping! Hope to see you there soon.